Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel again after 40 or 50 days. I don't know exactly. So, in this video I'm gonna tell you that why I was absent these fucking 40 or 50 days. I don't know exactly. And I'm gonna tell you that where I was and what do I did. So I felt like I missed YouTube and it's not so good for me and I don't like it. I wanna be in YouTube and I like it so much. So if you are watching this video for the first time and you are new in this video in my channel, so make sure to subscribe in my channel and click that like button with subscribe button down below. So if you don't do that, don't watch this video because it's not fit for you. I'm messing with you, so let's jump on our story. Exactly before 40, maybe 50 days ago, I was here in my chair in this small setup and I decided to go in Kunduz and Baghlan to travel and to meet my grandma and grandfather, and I actually did it. I went from Mazar to Baghlan, from Baghlan to Kunduz, and it took about maybe 7 days, 6 days. I don't know exactly. I think it was 7 days, and I spent too much money on this vacation to meet my grandma and grandfather and for traveling. And I ate some fresh foods and it was so delicious. After 1 week completely from vacation, I came to my setup and I decided to do something, and I'm gonna tell you that what do I did.
So as you can see here, I have something right there, and here you are. I bought this laptop from the mall yesterday, and this is used old laptop, and as you can see here, it don't have complete keyboard on it, so it's all, and I need to fix it so fast, and I'm gonna edit my videos after fixing this laptop. I'm gonna edit my videos on this laptop, so if you have any information about this laptop, please tell me below in comments, so as you can read that the model number and other things. So the company of this laptop is Dell. It's not so bad actually, but it was super cheap and I like it so much. And the next one is this television, which I like it so much. It is 42 inches television and its model is Star X, as you see right there. And I bought this television because I wanna watch my videos on this television. And here is the next one, the whiteboard with the shelf. As you can see here, I built this shelf on the wall with this mirror, as you can see here right there, and this is the whiteboard. I didn't buy this whiteboard, I had this before. And the last one is this bed, which I brought it from my other room, from my other sleeping room, and I wanna sleep in this place, in this setup right now, and I like it so much.
Okay, this was a simple tour, and as I said, it took more than 40 days to make it. You cannot believe this, but it took 50 days actually. So, anyway, this was simple video for today. See you in next video. I'm gonna be active for the next video, and subscribe to my channel. Click that like button below. See you next video. I want to sleep. Look at my eyes.